is all about the joint variation. So here's an example. Like if Z varies jointly as X and Y. So as you notice, there's a constant K here. All you have to do is just substitute with the given value of Z, which is 4. And you replace the value of X, which is 2. And you replace the value of Y, which is 8. After that, you can solve the K. Then you have to divide both sides by 2 times 8, that will be 16. So to make it simple, you just divide both sides by 2 and 8. Here said you will divide 2 and 8 so that you can cancel what will left the value of 3. Then after this, you can also cancel 4 and 8. This will be 2. So the answer is 1/4. Here is an imaginary 1. So 1 over 2 times 2, that is 1/4. So the value of K is 1/4. After getting the value of K, you have to replace the original equation with the second given so that you can solve the unknown, which is the value of Z. So to solve the value of Z, we have Z is equal to KXY. So Z is equal to the value of K, which is 1/4, times the value of X, which is the second value, is 18, and the second value of Y, which is 6. After that, you can simply cancel 6 and 4. This is divisible by 2, so what will left here is 2. Here is 3. 18 times 3, and still you can also cancel 18 and 2. This is 9. Then this is 1. 9 times 3, the value of Z is 27. That's all.